first stock to observe for tomorrow will be PVR Ionox. So for this stock, just see the opening price tomorrow and add opening price plus 28 to find out the maximum high what the stock might touch for tomorrow, and opening price minus 28 to find out the maximum low what the stock might touch for tomorrow. Opening price plus 14 to find out the key resistance level, and opening price minus 14 to find out the key support level on this stock for tomorrow. And the next stock is Bharat Fog. So for Bharat Fog, just see the opening price and add opening price plus 23 to find out the maximum high what the stock might go for tomorrow, and opening price minus 23 to find out the maximum low what the stock can go for tomorrow. Opening price plus 12 to find out the key resistance level, and opening price minus 12 to find out the key support level on Bharat Fog stock for tomorrow. So these are the two stocks for observation for tomorrow, and please note this video is only for educational purpose. Click on my channel logo and go inside my channel to watch a lot of educational videos and daily live trades what I've uploaded from 5 years plus on consistent basis. And if you guys wish to earn consistent profit in intraday trading, you can message me now on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me and to discuss with me.